everybody. I am super excited that we have finally made it to the end of the year. It's crazy to think um, that we're only a few weeks away, and I am super excited that we're going to to start our Star Wars unit. Now, this is not exactly how I like um, to do my end of the year activities. I made some adjustments, but I don't want you guys to miss out on probably one of the best activities and packets that we do all year. So I've made some adjustments for you guys so that you can still get the enjoyment as my classes have in the past. This is your new packet. Your new packet has been assigned to you in Google Classroom. There's been a copy made for each of you. If you need to print it, feel free to do so. I've also attached it in this announcement link on Classroom as well. So there's two different places. If you would like to print it and work on paper, you can. If you're not able to print it, you're welcome to go to the high school. I know that they have copies as well as the Board of Education, or I can email you a copy, whatever works for you. Feel free to let me know. But there are paper copies available there. What I would like to do is just kind of introduce you to the overall packet today, and then I want to focus on Project One. So you're going to see me really focus on Project One because that's where we're going to start, and kind of the introduction. I'll kind of show you the other two projects, but I'll get more into those in later videos. Right now, I really want you to focus on Project One. Now, the first question is when is all this due? Basically, it's due the last day of grading. Okay. And I believe Miss Johnson sent out an email the other day. I believe it's like May 19th is when everything has to be turned in. I'm going to give hard deadlines just to kind of guide you along the way so that you can get all three projects done. If you need more time, that is fine. If you want to finish them early and turn them all in early, that is fine too. It is completely up to you on how you want to manage your time. Of course, I'm going to be helping along the way. You can send me emails. I will answer questions. I will be posting my examples as we go. So I'm here to help you. So let's get started in with Star Wars today. So this is the cover. Star Wars, May the Force be with you, physical science. Super excited about that. All right, so here we go. A long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, you have chosen to join the dark side or the rebel forces. In your journey, you will learn the ways of the Jedi and complete three tasks assigned by Yoda. Each task asks for you to use your creativity as well as your science knowledge. Each task requires you create a drawing as well as a written explanation of your work. The details for each project are provided along with support materials to guide you through your task. Each task also has a rubric to assist you. May the Force be with you as you embark on this journey. If you're not a Star Wars fan, I get it. Okay. I wasn't the biggest Star Wars fan for a really, really long time. It wasn't until my husband actually got me interested in Star Wars that I actually started to be like, hey, this is interesting. This is fun to watch. And what I found was, as a science teacher, there's tons of science behind it. And well, of course, it's science fiction. And I was like, this is really good. So just being open-minded about it, try to enjoy it even if you're not the biggest fan. But if you have no idea what we're talking about, what I have for you is if you are a Star Wars fan, I include a video link to provide you with a quick rundown of the background stories. You can actually click on this link. All of these are active, or you can type this in down here at the bottom, and it will take you to a YouTube video that will recap all of these movies for you in 7 minutes. Okay, super quick. It's gonna move fast, but it'll give you an idea of what the storyline is. Now, it does not update for my new people here that love Star Wars. It does not cover the two newest films because I did not want to spoil anything for you guys. Okay, but be a nice little kind of overview for you. And if you're a Star Wars fan, just fun to watch. So check this out. This is also linked in the introduction on Google Classroom as well. So it's the same videos, but this is a great resource, especially if you're not a Star Wars fan. So pause the video, go watch it, and come back. All right. So this is broken into three separate projects. Okay. The first one is going to be Project One, lightsaber training. Now, all of your projects are headed the same way. Okay, and they're set up the same way. So if you keep flipping through around page 7-ish or so, project 2 is your marshmallow blaster. You'll notice that the information associated with each project is listed below. And then you'll see project 3, building droids. Okay, so everything you need is listed beneath that. All right, we're going to focus on project 1. Every good Jedi needs a lightsaber. Okay, so project 1 is lightsaber training. The objective: lightsabers are key to training and survival of a Jedi. Only the chosen that have the Force can unleash its power. Whether you're on the dark side or the light side, the lightsaber is a necessity for survival and defending yourself. You'll be designing your own lightsaber. You're to create a blueprint of your lightsaber. Be sure to select the color that matches your personality. All right, what I would like you guys to do now is to give you some background on lightsabers and how they work and what the science is behind them. You're going to watch a video called The Science of Star Wars. It is this link right here. You can click on it or you can type it in. Once again, it's also linked in Classroom. I want you to stop part 1 of this video. I want you to go and watch this video and then tune back into part 2. Okay? Enjoy.